Hello, how have you been? We hope you are doing great. We are La Hueva, an online store, and in today's video we are talking about what to consider before buying a smartwatch. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, as that really helps us grow and continue bringing you quality content. We also want to remind you that we have the Super Thanks button available for those who wants to make a voluntary donation and treat us to a soda. Your support is essential to keep us motivated. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most exciting trends in the world of technology, smartwatches. These are incredible devices that can do much more than just tell me the time. But what factors should we consider before buying one? That's why we have made this video, to give you a guide to help you choose a watch as it should be. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Compatibility with your smartphone. One of the first aspects to consider is compatibility with your phone. Make sure the smartwatch you choose is compatible with your operating system, whether it's Android or iOS. This way you can make the most of its functions. Remember that if you choose a model that lacks compatibility with multiple devices, your smartwatch will be limited to being just a decoration to show the time. Functions and features. Smartwatches come with a diversity of functions. Do you need one of physical activity tracking, notifications, GPS, music, mobile payment, or other specific features? Define your needs before making a decision. Battery life. Battery life can change from one model to another. Think about how long you want the watch to last on a single charge and choose wisely. Some models offer fast charging, others have wireless charging, and some even offer contact charging. These are other aspects to consider. Design and style. Don't forget about the style. Choose a smartwatch that suits your personality and preferences. They come in various sizes, materials, and designs. Additionally, there are models on the market that allow you to change their straps, so you might also consider getting extra accessories with your purchase. Water resistance. If you plan to use it during water activities or in a rainy days, make sure it is water resistant. Not all models are suitable for swimming, so keep that in mind. At this point, I would like to mention that we have a video especially discussing this topic, titled How to Know If My Smartwatch is Suitable for Swimming or Diving. We'll leave the link up here. Operating systems and applications. Research the smartwatch operating system and available applications. Some of them use Google, Wear OS, Apple Watch OS, and manufacturers' ownership systems. These operating systems provide the advantage of adding more functions to your smartwatch through the App Store. However, not all of watches have this advantage, so research deeply if adding more functions in the future is important for you. Additionally, many of you have mentioned in the comments that you don't receive notification from WhatsApp Plus or Telegram. If you use WhatsApp Plus, for example, you should look for a watch that supports that application, which is not the official Facebook one. Keep this in mind because sometimes these incompatibilities arise. Screen size and quality. Screen quality is essential for easy reading and interaction. Do you prefer a touch screen or one controlled with buttons? Choose what is most comfortable for your price. Set a budget and look for smartwatches that fit with it. Prices can change based on brand, features, operating systems, water resistance, customizations, special features, constructions, materials, among others. So consider your wallet, notifications, and connectivity. Make sure that smartwatch allow you to receive notification for calls, messages, and important apps. Also, check the Bluetooth connectivity and the version supported by the watch. as well as the ability to connect other devices, such as headphones. Health and fitness tracking quality. If you're interested in health and fitness tracking, check the capabilities for monitoring heart rate, sleep, steps, and other fitness-related metrics. Some smartwatches have a maximum of 5 sports availability, while others offer a broader range of 150 different sport models, and some even allow you customizations based on the type of sport you are engaging in. For example, if you are a weightlifting enthusiast, I recommend looking for a watch that has the function to record that specific activity. And there you have it. These are the key aspects to consider before buying a smartwatch. If you have more questions or need specific recommendations, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you see recurring questions, we will consider making another response video. Remember that we have the Super Thanks button available if you want to treat us to a soda, but it's 100% voluntary. Thanks for watching us in this video, and we will see you in the next time. Bye bye!